My mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I can.
But yeah, here's the wing. It's super lightweight. Literally pick it up with one arm. 2 to 3 pounds, give or take. Mine's clapped out. It's time to get replaced. I only have one cap right now. Got another one on the way, but it's coming from Malaysia. I could go to the junkyard, but the 2 junkyards I went to, they're completely out of stock. One of the junkyards, there was a dark purple GE8 and they removed the entire tailgate, so that's that. But yeah, let me go ahead and set you guys up and then I'll get this removed. Got it off. This one popped off and luckily I was able to keep it. Still intact, not broken. Or hold on, let me focus. Kind of has this little...
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But get this all cleaned up. I decided to remove those clips. Reason being is whenever I test mounted the JDP wing, it was making contact. So I'm gonna run to Ace Hardware, get some grommets, maybe plug these up because I don't want water to enter the trunk. And I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a second. So we just got back from Ace Hardware. I use 4 of these little silicone plugs or grommet plugs. I didn't have no clear silicone, but I did have some Honda Bond laying around, so just use a little bit of that, and now they're all on there. Waiting for it to dry, then we'll get the wing installed. Okay guys, so right here I'm just explaining you need to transfer the spoiler bracket onto the JDP wing. You could use your choice of double-sided tape. I went with 3M, and once you transfer it over, you should be good to mount the spoiler. Alright guys, I have it pretty snug on there. Just hand tightened. Open. I'm gonna do a quarter turn on both sides. So from here. Yep. It's pretty tight. One thing I would say is I didn't capture it. Sorry. But the 3M that runs along this edge, go ahead and make a slit down the center and pull those tabs out and forward right here. Tape removal this way, and the corners removal this way.
Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give a space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you. I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that. Say you're done with that. On your face.
I forgot to pop the trunk. Here, let me pop the trunk. That way you guys can see the clearance on this when the trunk is open.